Jamaica's Banana Board is closely monitoring the sector to avoid the tropical race for TR4 disease. The update follows a rebound of the banana industry in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Details from Andrea Chisholm.
Banana industry is in a state of almost full recovery.
That's good news for farmers, business people and consumers. Hurricane Melissa toppled banana and plantain trees, leaving them with just a few fingers. Following a $100 million allocation from the Agriculture Ministry, consumers can now benefit from more than a hand.
We use the help of RADA to ensure that we don't leave any stakeholder out. We make sure that farmers get the right inputs and know how to apply it, ensure that they do apply it, ensure that they follow the right practices for resuscitation.
But the resuscitation may be short-lived if farmers do not act quickly to minimize the impact of the drought. General Manager of the Banana Board, Janet Coley, says farmers need water to grow lots of high-quality bananas. As drought conditions intensify, she is reminding farmers to build out and utilize irrigation systems. But there's also another threat to the industry: diseases such as the black sigatoka disease, which affects the leaves.
It's diseases of the root. We had Moko disease that came to Jamaica in 2004, and what Banana Board's responsibility is to curtail that disease to ensure it doesn't increase to more than 5%. Right now it's below. It's at 0%. We monitor where we see that, we eliminate it. We are also using that protocol to ensure that we don't get a disease that we don't yet have, which is TR4 disease. And we are the institution that is, surveying the horizon to ensure it doesn't come to Jamaica, putting practices in place and biosecurity to ensure it doesn't come. And we also monitor with the farmers and we teach them how to see it, how to recognize it, and what to put in place from now.
If the tropical race for TR4 disease affects the banana industry in Jamaica, there's hope it will not wipe out the sector.
We have a fair variety that we have been asking persons to cultivate. It's really for a green fruit, and that we have, and you see it outside, and that we have been doing for a number of years, from 2011. Now we have a new variety in the international market called Pharmasana. We just got that, and we are multiplying that out to ensure that when the disease, or should the disease, and we're hoping it never comes, that we will have a variety to counteract that.
The Banana Board is also amplifying its research and partnerships with the stakeholders to develop more value-added products like these for consumers. As production increases, there's a plan to resume exporting large quantities of bananas. Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.